Good morning. It's Monday, July 24th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Rain-free across the state of Georgia. Just some radar noise up north of Atlanta over Gainesville and Lake Lanier. We have no precipitation actually happening there in North Georgia. As we take a look at the satellite imagery, we do have a pretty good cloud deck over the CSRA, Augusta, down to Statesboro, right to Savannah, and that's pretty persistent. Taking a little while for that to break up, so that's actually going to keep temperatures a little bit lower as we move through the day today. Keep some of that sunshine out, and that will also reduce our rain chance just a bit. Still going to be warm and humid across the state, but especially in North Georgia, we do have some drier air moving in, so it's going to be a little nicer today, just slightly. You go up in the upper atmosphere, and the air is very dry, so that's going to keep some showers at bay today as well. So temperatures low to mid-70s across the state of Georgia. And taking a look at the dew point, I'd like to look at that just to get an idea of how much moisture is there in the atmosphere. There's plenty in South Georgia, low to mid-70s on that dew point, but you get up to northwest Georgia, we're in the mid to upper 60s. So again, slightly drier air, and as I mentioned, in the upper levels of the atmosphere, it is very dry. So we're still not going to be completely rid of the rain today. We do have a general thunderstorm risk, Macon, South Georgia, Southeast Georgia, even up to Augusta, but we're pretty much in the clear for Metro Atlanta and Northwest Georgia. Tomorrow, general thunderstorm risk across the coastline and the counties that border Florida. And looking at Wednesday, still no severe thunderstorm risk. Just that general thunderstorm risk mainly for South Georgia and then up in the North Georgia mountains. So here's a look at the modeling as we move through the morning hours. Not a lot going on. High pressure, so that's going to be some sinking air, and that's going to help keep those showers away. Another thing that the rain doesn't like. It needs some rising air. As we move through the afternoon hours, maybe a few pop-up thunderstorms in parts of Middle and South Georgia. There's plenty of heat and humidity down there to get a few of those fired up. And then we move towards 6, 7 o'clock, same deal, just scattered showers and thunderstorms. I think we stay rain-free in northwest Georgia. Going to be really, really hard for any rain to pop up north and west of I-85, and especially once you get up around Dalton and Rome. Through the overnight hours, a few clouds around. We start out with areas of patchy fog tomorrow morning, mainly in Middle and South Georgia. Through the afternoon and into the evening hours, we're pretty much rain-free, so should be fairly dry air through the day tomorrow. A lot of that dry air in the upper levels starting to sink down to the lower levels, but then the humidity back in as we head into Wednesday. Scattered showers and thunderstorms back in Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. That's your morning weather update from the Georgia Weather Net. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.